So today's the day I put the motor in the Mustang. I forgot to record me bolting up the transmission to the motor. It was fairly quick. I didn't have any issues. So now I have the 70 Mustang outside, and I'm ready to move the 69 Mustang into position. I had to let the garage heat up for a while. It's really cold out today. The transmission came out really nice. I used a degreaser on it and put a couple coats of primer, and then the black paint. I like using VHT, high heat. So here I'm using the Pittsburgh 1,500 pound wheel dollies. These come in real handy. I think when they're on sale they're like $40 for two, so not a bad deal. It's the day after Christmas, so I set out my day after Christmas breakfast. The dog and I will enjoy this today. Most times I'm usually working by myself, so I try to make things as easy as possible. I try to plan everything out before I actually do this. That way I don't run into any situations. Something I've always done to make this easier, I always take the grill, radiator and radiator support off. Just makes it easier, especially when I'm by myself. Okay, here I go. I'm putting the motor in. This went fairly quick. I really didn't have anything in the way. I even took out the transmission cross mount. Right here I'm connecting the drive shaft to the transmission. So right here, I'm just lining up the motor mounts to the motor. Made it a lot easier with this engine leveler. I've never had one before, never used one before. Usually just push the motor around, but this made things a lot easier. I think this is 3/4 ton. Looks like I have it lined up, so I'm putting the bolts in right now. Now I'm working on getting the transmission cross member in and mount on. So there you go, that's it. Took me probably less than an hour, or close to an hour. Wasn't too bad. Like I said before, I prepped for this just to make it easier on myself. Everything went pretty smooth. Up next, I gotta put this motor together. Probably the water pump next, alternator, all the brackets, pulleys. That'll be on my next video.